bloody allergy had started day before yesterday.
I am at 111 kilometers per hour, 112 kilometers per hour.
Check out that side. I'm sure it's about to rain. What is the time now? 5:27. We have never started our ride this early till date. This is the first time. We are at some village around 200 or 300 kilometers before Hyderabad, and this hotel was at that rate. What do you expect, right? There were lots of mosquitoes, and my allergy problem has shooted up. I've got a pain in my hand. This allergy, it's painful allergy that I have. I need to have breakfast and I need to take my medicine. Let's put this meter to 0. 660 kilometers that we did yesterday. Okay, let's go. Namaste and good morning, folks. The time is 5:31 now. I'll see you guys when the sun is out. When the sun is up, actually. यो उज्यालो उज्यालो हुन खोज्दाखेरि कस्तो दामी देख्छ के 14th day हैन आज हाम्रो राइडको. If the weather is like this and roads are of the same condition, I can do 1000 plus kilometers a day. I know that. But after 10 a.m. things are gonna be very different. Not even 10, after 9 a.m. itself. The temperature will shoot up to 38 degrees Celsius or 36 degrees Celsius. Then there is no energy in us, to ride. We have already covered 33 kilometers in half an hour time. Less than half an hour time. First fuel break for the day. That's the beautiful sunrise there. कति थियो यहाँ पेट्रोलको दाम? $112 in Andhra Pradesh. Expensive fuel here. And for some reason कार्ड कुनै ठाउँमा पनि चल्दैन यार. हाम्रो डिजिटल मान्छेहरुको कार्डै चल्दैन के हेर्ने यहाँ. And that's a beautiful sunrise. It looks very beautiful now, right? ओहो कस्तो दामी हो. तर यो हाइवेमा हनुमानजी चाहिँ धेरै देखेँ मैले है. यहाँ त मेजर डाइभर्सन रहेछ नि त. कता कता जाने बाटो हो यो. नन्दियाल, कडप्पा, चित्तोर, हैदराबाद स्ट्रेट. ओके कस्तो दामी बनाएको यार. त्यति माथि मन्दिर मजाको रहेछ. हनुमानको मन्दिर चाहिँ आन्ध्र प्रदेशमा एकदम बेसी. Now check out this Volvo on the front. It's a Swami Ayyappa Travels, okay? So this kind of name, God's name, usually is from the south, and the registration is Nagaland, NL. ये वो क्या रहा है भाई? And we have entered Kurnool. And what kind of setup is this? Check out for ladies on the top, and then here. हैन त्यो काठले अड्काइरहेछ कसरी यिनीहरुलाई. सब छ फेरि खसी बोका मान्छे खानेकुरा everything is there. Nice jugaad. That's the mode of transportation here. Let's eat. खाना मिल्छ उ त्यहाँ पसलै हो. चाय गरम, कॉफी गरम, इडली बड़ा एंड कॉफी. That was a decent breakfast here. Idli vada. We had ordered for extra vada today. I need to put Nagpur as my location, and this time I'll be putting bike because Hyderabad, you all know the kind of pain we had last time. So it will be bike route this time. Bistare zyada garnu sir. My bloody allergy had started day before yesterday. Yesterday whole day it was there, and today also it has like now in the daytime it has increased again. And it's very painful. हात यस्तो दुखिरहेछ. So I just had my medicine. अब एलर्जीको मेडिसिन भनेको निन्द्रा लाग्ने हुन्छ. राइड गरिरहेको छु. I'm riding and I don't want to feel sleepy. Right. What a screwed up combination, man. Weather is getting pleasant now. Things might get worse if it starts raining. I'm
at 111 kilometers per hour, 112 kilometers per hour. Oh ho! Some major diversion here after 210 kilometers away from the place that we had stayed last night. I've got 300 kilometers of fuel range and time is 8:30 a.m. I've got 10 hours 56 minutes. That's almost 11 hours to my destination. The ETA is 7:26 p.m. and the distance is 588 kilometers. That's the update. And Surya Bhagwan ko prakop ekdam बढ्दैछ. बीच-बीचमा क्लाउड्सहरु आएर अलिक रमाइलो बनाइदिरहेछ. फेरि पानी पर्यो भने के ताल हुने हो. How do I overtake? I got enough time to go to Spotify and put on the song. लड्न आँटी छ के पुष्पा झुकेगा नहीं पुरै यतातिर टिल्ट भइसक्यो. Yes, we are inside Telangana state. This is our 9th state from this Nepal-India ride. We are around 20 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and now I'm looking for a place where I can stop for a PP break. Not only PP break, but also to recharge ourselves, rehydrate, because we are no more waiting for our energy to completely drain and then stop and have this ORS and all those things, because once the energy is completely drained, it takes time to pick up. Now check out, man, I don't know if you can see it in the map or not. We are at the outer ring road and see the confusion there. We're not allowed to go straight, right? So we'll take a left from here. And this was the place we had hell lots of trouble last time. That's Nehru ORR, Nehru Outer Ring Road. So this four-wheelers will go straight and we will have to slide left from here. Because yes, now Google is showing correct way. Phone! He dropped his phone there. I don't know, last time for some reason I couldn't get this bike thing here, and they don't have any board or anything, any sign here which will guide us. अस्तिको पालि यति गाली गरेको थिएँ मैले यहाँ मान्छेहरूलाई. Google is suggesting me a route which is gonna save 2 minutes. Bloody 2 minutes save गरेर म के गर्नु छ मलाई लाइफमा. Last year when we were coming this way, it took us exactly 4 hours to clear this city, and we lost. We got into some jungle and all. So this time we want to check the time. The time is 9:30, the time we entered this place. Let's see how long it's gonna take us to exit the city with the help of map, which is in absolutely perfect running condition now. And this road is called Service Road. That's on the right hand side is the Outer Ring Road, ORR, Nehru Outer Ring Road, and this one is Service Road for the same ring road. What is it? It's a big lake here. Evening here would be amazing. Now we'll just go by the lake after some time. From that point, I think, when we're taking a left. Oh yes, it's nice. Getting into Hyderabad and not getting confused. Oh no, that's not possible. Sometimes back, in the roundabout, I got it becomes very difficult to exactly understand which exit or entry to take in this Google map. So 3 different places I went and came back, and finally I got the right road now. So yep, now I'm again in the service lane. Now for some reason Google bought us here on Outer Ring Road, and I can see lots of bikes. So that means it's allowed. And from the front I need to exit this Outer Ring Road again. Stuck in Hyderabad traffic. Hope I'm on the right track, because there is no service road now. Now they're getting us into the city, and maybe from somewhere they will once again connect us. Big Hyderabad, big city. So people exiting Hyderabad is not easy. Around 2 hours time it's gonna take, because I'm about to reach the national highway there. This road is connecting me. So guys, there is no shortcut, there is no tricky thing that you can do. Have the map and bloody follow the map, nothing else. You look at the map and listen to the Google lady. She will tell us exactly which exit to take, first exit, second exit, or third exit. So if we follow her, that way it becomes very easy, you know. We can just take the right, because there's so many exits, and with the map we'll not be able to make out which one to take actually. So yes, there I am on the national highway, and last time we took more than 2 hours extra apart from this 2 hours to actually get out of this city. This is Hyderabad Nagpur highway, and Nagpur is around 465 kilometers away from here. Our ETA has come down, you know. It was 7:47 sometimes back, or maybe a long time ago, but now it's 6:57 p.m. Last year we got in from here, Narsapur, to this highway because of the Hyderabad confusion, and immediately we had stopped there for food. Right, let's take a second fuel break and let's see हाम्रो डिजिटल नेपालको डिजिटल बैंकको कार्डहरु चल्छ कि चल्दैन। ल है, हाम्रो डिजिटल बैंकहरु कार्ड त कहिले पनि चल्दैन त यार, के हो यस्तो। बात गर्न सजिलो छ नि, काम गर्न गाह्रो छ, बुझ्नु पर्यो नि बुझ्नेहरुले। मुला सागरहरु। Okay, let's go. We need to find a place to eat now. We just took a lunch break. You know, we underestimated the restaurant, I think. We just ordered for chapati, curd and dal. Later we saw others ordering biryani, so we thought, get us one more. And we shared that biryani. It was nice. We paid little less than 600 bucks there, and the food was good. So I have put Jabalpur in my map now. Not because I am going to Jabalpur, but because if I put Nagpur, it may take me into the city. So we want to stay somewhere on the highway itself. So yes, that's why I put Jabalpur, but no way I'm gonna reach Jabalpur tonight, because it's showing 11:58, 11 hours and 58 minutes, meaning 12:37 a.m. or midnight I'll be reaching there, which we cannot do. 679 kilometers. Oh no, it will be Nagpur today. This place is called Elichipur, and this is the hotel that we had stayed at last time when we came from Bangalore. And from here we had done till Maihar in Madhya Pradesh. Check out that side. I'm sure it's about to rain, so no more vlogging now. The GoPro and everything is going inside the top box. It's windy also. Raincoat, plastic, everything is getting ready. We still have 400 kilometers to go, 350 something to go for Nagpur, and my Gadi's engine check light is not gone.
1 hour later.
पुरै घना बादल, डार्क सबतिर हाइवेमा। हामीले लगाइसकेको छौं रेनकोट तलदेखि माथिसम्म। गर्मी बबाल थियो, अब पानी पर्न लागेछ। जस रेनकोटमा राम्रै देखिएको छ सर।
असिना पानी पुरै असिना पानी छ। भन्न हामी यो सेटमा बस्न पाएँ, नभए त टाउको जान्थ्यो आज।
Now we are stuck in middle of the highway. It's raining cats and dogs, or whatever name you want to give, you can do that. It's almost 3 p.m. now and the visibility is kind of zero. It's
It's not only rain, it's hailstone also. Asina pani.
One eternity later.
पीडित मान्छे
That's allergy and this is work. So we are in the room at Nagpur. This thing allergy started from Coimbatore. The day I reached Coimbatore, that day evening it started. Yesterday while we were leaving from Coimbatore, it was okay. But today, all of a sudden this part, it's like crazy. I get this allergy every year. But I don't know, this year, this kind of thing, I haven't seen it earlier. Anyways, so it was the longest ride today. Today we did 828 kilometers from that place in Andhra Pradesh, I don't know the name, till here in Nagpur. So I couldn't put on my GoPro because it started raining cats and dogs, hailstone were there, it was windy, thunderstorm, everything was there. And with this long time on saddle, I got so tired that when the rain stopped, I did not have that mood to, put back this GoPro on my helmet and start vlogging again. I'm right now at the hotel. I don't know the name of this hotel. It's a very big, large, huge room. It costed us a little bit much this time, 3,500 bucks for a night, and that does not include breakfast. Now we have another 2 days of ride till reaching Nepal border, and reaching home Kathmandu should be third day, if everything goes right, because it's raining and in the forecast also I see rains everywhere. That's it. It's 10 p.m. already. I'm copying my file from my GoPro to my laptop. I'm backing up the files. I'll sleep now. We are planning to start our ride little early tomorrow morning, like what we did today. So yep, bye guys. See you. Have a wonderful time. Be happy. I sound tired, right? Oh yes, I am. Ciao.